Hi, I'm Caira Gontinias, and this video is basically connected to the previous video about the overview of the 60 seconds timer, as they both have the same output. The only difference this time is that in this, I've highlighted the focus on the application of object-oriented programming, or OOP. So firstly, based upon my understanding, the basic idea of the OOP is that it makes use of objects or classes that contain functions and commands outside the main function. Its use lies in making programming easier to code, organize, and make changes. To elaborate, we have here the same app in the last called timer_2. It has the same up bar, display text, and buttons, which is start and reset. So we can reset and start the timer just like before. Onto the left, we can see over here, we have the main function running the app through its root widget home, which we can see right below. And under this home class, we have it calling on another class named homepage, which we can find here on another lib file. But before that, notice the debug show checked mode banner argument here that is set to false. What this does is basically remove the debug flag that we can originally see on the top right of the app simulation. Compared to our previous app, our current simulation now does not have the banner with debug written on it. Now let us move on to the lib file we have named homepage.dart. This basically holds all the classes and functions that makes up our app. We can see here on our main Dart that we have the import homepage Dart at the top. This enables the main Dart to connect to the homepage Dart where our codes are, as we can see them. As such, the functions on our main Dart are able to call on the classes placed on the homepage Dart. By separating them, it is easier for us to make changes and organize the various classes and functions we have for our program without risking to accidentally mess up our main function. All that is the use of the object-oriented programming.